Dude, my straight up plush pile is starting to look like an orgy. I don't know what to interpret it to be, but I guess it's art. So what's up and what's good, YouTube, the World Wide Web? First and foremost, I want to shout out everyone who came to my Dallas pop-up. I want to shout out the homie The Weeknd, misspelled, for saying, met Paul in Dallas, such a cool guy. He sold me a fire-ass Scooby-Doo shirt. Thanks again, bro. Hey man, I appreciate you too, brother. You, if I'm correct, said that my mom has a fade, which is absolutely hilarious. And then speaking of fades and I guess just hair advice in general, Ben said, bro, lower your beard line. Would look so much better. So yeah, I'm gonna try and drop this beard line the way I drop my donk in the club. And yeah, try and make you boys a little bit more moist. Anyways, what up? We got a fan flame unboxing. I did a Dallas pop-up. It was amazing. I really want to rant. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna rant real quick, dude. So behind me is a Woody doll, right? Damn, dude, this doesn't even work. I was at Goodwill, bro. They had a Jessie, very similar, and they're trying to sell her for $20. Chick told me that they go for $80 online. I promptly pulled up eBay. Dog, they go for $12. $12 with the hat. Tripping. Anyways, shout out thrift stores for continuing to tax, but shout out you guys for continuing to send these packs. Look at these parcels, bruh. Yes, that's right. You guys definitely did hook it up to my P.O. box, which is in the description of every video. So if you guys want to send me anything, link down below. I got 3 humble, meager, yet filled with fire, I assume, packages because my thigh is heating up. Yeah, white meat. But yeah, I'm gonna grab Trish the blonde hair bish and get into them. Oh, I almost just fell. Alright, so some of you guys may consider this to be dangerous. I just live on the edge, boys. So the first package is coming from my homie Sam from Toronto, Canada. Shout out friendly people and maple syrup. So he said he got me a little something. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what is inside. Okay, looks like a jersey. Oh yeah, he actually sent me a picture of this. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at that, dude. It's the Oya Calaville coyotes. I didn't even know there were coyotes in Canada, but evidently if you kill a coyote, they'll start mating more frequently in order to rekindle the population numbers. Bro, come on, man. I know everything about animals. It's crazy. But yeah, dude, this thing has like maple leaves all over. You got a giant coyote head. I can't wait to actually rock this and rep our brothers to the north, Canada. This is cool, man. It says pro joy, because this is bringing joy into my heart. Number 34. Yeah, I appreciate this jersey, man. I wish it was cooler in Texas as it is in Canada, so I could have more of a reason to wear this, but maybe I'll just rock this as a sleeping gown with nothing else on. All right, so appreciate you, Sam. You know I love you, boy. Here's his Instagram. So we got another package. This is sealed with duct tape, which is honestly just like an asshole move. Shout out that boy Christian. I feel like you just want to watch my horse struggle to cut this open, but guess what? Ain't happening. Made a nice little slit in that guy right there. And yeah, dude, I appreciate you guys for watching these unboxings, man. Y'all really be out here riding, dog. Yeah. This is just a cool little quick way to show my appreciation and a quick little video to get out the way while I work on some fire customs because I definitely have some of those coming right up. But hopping into it. Ooh! Better than anything else you could include, bubble wrap. Wait for it. Damn, bro. I swear it's the one closest to my ear cavity. Just got straight penetrated. All right, so the homie sent me a letter. Dear Paul, the trip to the thrift videos are fire! I found these items and I had to send them to you. Keep on thrifting. From Christian, IG at Cuba204. And Cuba has 3 A's because 1 A is never enough on Instagram. So we got even more packing popcorn. And let's see what he included. Oh, okay. Bruh, you outdid yourself already. Oh my God, I hated what? I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Homie sent in the Goofy hat that does not fit my head straight out the box. It's okay. I'll cock it up. We also got some sports cards right here. You got Danis Marinas. Oh man. Great quarterback. You got a few other cards. These are beautiful. Carmelo in college. He's not in college. He's playing for the Nuggets. But I appreciate these cards, dude. That's really sweet of you, you sexy ass mother. Fire! I'll probably just bleep that out. You also got another fish encrusted shirt right here. Dude, this is that Orvis brand. You know what? This is cool. Fishes do get you hella bitches. I'm gonna give this to my pops though, because this is more like an elderly man steez on the golf course. He's not on golf courses, but I guess he can be. The other shirt, oh hell yeah. You know that's my team. You know that's my team because I don't got a horse for no reason. You got the Dallas Cowboys tee right here. It says Cowboys going from one armpit all the way down to the belly button region, just draping the abdomen in letters. So shout out everyone who's literate and can read my torso. Getting rid of this packing papel. I'm gonna reuse that too, man. I appreciate that. That's high key. This is a high key nice box in general. High quality, and it's like, I think it's irrigated. But we also got another cowboy shirt. Oh man, this one has that little artistic, not to be confused with autistic, but shout out everyone with autism. We support you, bro. You got the nice little, I hope you're not offended by that. But we got this nice little Dallas Cowboys artistic looking drawn design Apex 1 1990 tree, the year of my birth. And then it has like a pentagram on the back on some devil worship. But yeah, dude, I appreciate this, man. You the best. I love you, Mr. Cuba 204. I think that was your IG. Here it is. Peace. Okay, next box we got is who it is from? Oh, it's from that boy Sean Libby. This fool put a Beetlejuice sticker on his shit. That's creepy, but also kind of sweet. Okay, so we made a nice slice. All right. And all right. Oh my God. Okay, dude. Thank you so much for this. This thing is Retro Air Jordan DEADSTOCK.
Retro Air Jordan DEADSTOCK.
It is just a Jordan piece. Oh. Hey, Thrift Life. I can't read. Wow, Thrift Life? What? Thrift life is the best life. Yeah, they living my best life. I don't like that song. Here's a note. Hey Paul, been following and watching your videos for 2+ years and gotten tons of enjoyment and laughs with a $. Appreciate you. Found this vintage item and knew I had to send it to you and perhaps a sticker for the chariot. Keep up the vids. Love, Sean. He didn't put love, he just put Sean, but I assume he loves me. And I love you, bro. I don't even gotta say it, you just know it. But peep this, dude. You got the Space Jam brand new with tags, all crotched, aka crocheted blanket. Dude, this is from 1996. Even the hanger looks yellowed and patinaed with age. I really want to unravel this blanket, dude, but like, oh, we're making the same face. But I don't know, dude. I don't want to disrespect this tag. But yeah, homie sent me Michael Jordan in interstellar space playing basketball. Ha! Swag! Swag. Dude, I appreciate this, man. This is actually so sweet of you. You did not have to send me this, but I love you like my child now and forever. I hope one day I get to see your face and just caress it, even if you look like Beetlejuice. I don't care. But yeah, man, those are the 3 little boxes that I just opened. I think there might be more in my P.O. box, but I have not checked that thing because I'm irresponsible. But that's just the life we living out here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little sexy video. Got a lot of content coming up. I'm thinking of selling my whole personal collection, and I'm thinking about cultivating a mullet. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if those are good ideas, because I feel like they are, obviously. But anyways, peace and love, live the dream, eat that vegan ice cream. I'm gonna drop this beer line and hopefully hit it from behind. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Paru's do. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.